Alright, so here we have a setup of a ground station test program that locates the unit. As shown there, there's a dot on the rectangular window that represents the flying unit. But in this test, we're going to simplify things by using first a potentiometer that will be commanding the unit to go left to right, and then another setup wherein the potentiometer will be commanding the unit to go up and down. So this is like the top view of the map. A map will be interlaced with this rectangular window, most likely from a Google Earth or Google Maps application. So now let's begin. I will be turning the potentiometer, and you will see that the dot representing the flying unit will be moving across the x-axis. Go back to the origin now. And then now I will replace the pin by the y-axis pin, and it will begin to go down, up, down as I turn moves along with the potentiometer. Okay, so now I will remove the potentiometer. The second setup will be using the inertial measurement unit attached to the Arduino, and now I'll make it roll, and you see that the dot moved with it. So now, after the demonstration, you could imagine that the rectangular window, will hold a segment of the map, and the flying unit will be moving across the map, and will be reporting it to this station, the ground station, using its XB, propagating the GPS position that it is sensing while it's moving. That's all for now. This is Martin Borja signing off.